Ibotta gives users cash back on qualifying purchases, but the real question after 90 days is whether the rewards are worth the time spent finding offers, buying eligible products, and submitting receipts. After 3 months, you can judge Ibotta by 3 things: how often you find useful offers, how much effort the app requires, and whether the rewards fit into your normal shopping routine. The first thing to review is your actual usage. Ibotta works best when the offers match products you already buy. If you are changing your shopping habits just to chase rewards, the value can be harder to justify. Start by checking the offers before you shop. Look for products you already need, then activate the offers and complete the purchase requirements. After shopping, follow the app's process for submitting your receipt or confirming your purchase. The second part of a 90-day review is consistency. Ibotta results can vary because offers change, and every user has different shopping patterns. Someone who regularly checks available offers may have a different experience from someone who only uses the app occasionally. The third thing to measure is convenience. A good rewards app should fit into your routine without creating extra work. If checking offers, saving receipts, and tracking rewards feels simple, the app can be easier to maintain over time. After 90 days, look at your own numbers. Check how many offers you completed, how much cash back you received, and how much time you spent using the app. Your personal results are more useful than someone else's earnings, because shopping habits are different. Ibotta is not designed to replace a paycheck. It is a cashback tool that can help reduce spending on eligible purchases when used strategically. The biggest benefit is using rewards on purchases you were already planning to make. The biggest limitation is that your results depend on available offers, and whether those offers match your shopping needs. If you want to test whether Ibotta is worth keeping, review your last 90 days before deciding. Keep it if the rewards feel worthwhile for the effort you put in. Stop using it if the process takes more time than the value you receive. The key points are simple. Ibotta rewards depend on your shopping habits, consistency affects your results, and a 90-day review should focus on your own experience. Your next step is to check your completed offers and total rewards from the last 3 months. If this review helped you understand Ibotta better, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.